In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to export videos in Davinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, if you want to export a video, all you're going to need to do is go down here and click the rocket ship. It's going to open a bunch of rendering settings, and first you're going to need to name your file. Next, you can also change where it goes on your computer by clicking Browse and choosing the separate location. And for the format, it is all under preference, but I do recommend you go for MP4 H.264 and 1920 by 1080 if you're doing YouTube, and the frame rate can be whatever you'd like. Now you can also go to the file and change the render speed if you have a tendency to have your computer crash on you. And the audio can also be played with as well. But that's really all there is to it. Once you're